Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have another Lotto Lock that I'll submit as a hashtag Lotto Lock Tuesday. And some of you might remember that I've had this on my channel before, and I've picked it and gutted it. So if you want to see that, then you can go back and see the video that I did on that. But today I'm just going to do a quick pick and submit it as a hashtag Lotto Lock Tuesday. And so this little guy is a little master lock, red master lock, and it does say series 6835 on the back, and it has stamped 058. The key tag says 58, and this is a used lock that I got off of Facebook a while back. But anyway, there is the keyway, bottom keyway. It's a pretty nice little lock. Does work very well, no problems with it, and it is a little as far as size for everybody, it's just a little 40 millimeter padlock, so basically the same size, same look as a 1100. I think it's probably the same keyway. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, anyway, this does work very well, so let's get zoomed in here a little bit better. There we go. And we'll use just a regular tension wrench. It's actually a twisted one. And we'll just use the top of the keyway on this guy. And then I'll just use the JimyLongs, and I think this is a low hook with a flat tip. I think that's what he calls this new profile. It's not the Jim. I think they call it a low hook with a flat tip. Anyway, just start light tension. Pin 1. We'll click out of that one. Pin 2. Little click out of that one, or big click I should say. And pin 3. Counter, click out of that one. Pin 4. Click out of that one. And pin 5. I don't know if I mentioned that it is a 5-pin lock. Nice click out of that one, and we have the open. So not a very hard lock to pick, but it definitely is a fun one to have and enjoy it. Sometimes I just use it as a comfort type thing. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure that you are subscribed, you leave a like, and leave comments down below. And thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.